Welcome everyone. Today is June the 8th on a Wednesday. Bitcoin is still in this 28k to 32k range. It's been so boring. Come on, Bitcoin, do something. It's so boring. Just make a dump or make a pump. Just anything. Don't stay here for the next few months. You will kill a lot of people, man. Alright, let's see economic front. There's nothing until tomorrow. The euro will be have a monetary policy statement. We know they're going to increase rates, so there's nothing new there. For the US CPI on Friday will be the very important number. Any print to the upside will cause all assets to crash because the Fed will be expected to raise more rates than expected. Wait, did I say that right? Alright, doesn't matter. So today let's talk about the coin with a new update, major update, which is Chainlink. Chainlink has a major staking update released yesterday, which is Rejoice, Lingmarines, because Chainlink 2.0 brings a new roadmap and staking. So any coins that come up with a new roadmap will cause a change in fundamentals. So people will expect more or less depending on the changes. And in this case, for Chainlink, staking actually is a very good thing for the coin, right? Because it gives people the chance to earn rewards by staking their coins. So there is a use case for the link tokens. Mhm. It has been years in the making, and it's still the largest Oracle project in the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. You know that? Alright. Notes: receive jobs and fees on the Chainlink network will be enhanced while the ecosystem as a whole will benefit. Greater community participation. More individuals involved with the community. Decentralized Chainlink network enable a robust reputation system slashing mechanism. Is also expected to increase network adoption over time as new sources of rewards and an increase in the amount of protocol fees that are generated from what non-emission based sources further attracts more participants. Okay, can be easily audited, leverages the transparency of blockchain, smart contracts, and oracles. User funds are protected from unforeseen fractional reserve practices and other fraudulent activity from off-chain custodians. Okay, they're looking at the post from Chainlink God. He went through quite in detail what are the real changes. So, with Chainlink staking, there are four long-term goals. Right, number one, increases the security, which makes attacks become more expensive. It's a good thing. We need secure coins, not like bad programming coins like Luna. All right, the second one, community participation. Of course, you're being rewarded for raising alerts if Oracle network misperforms or so. Goal 3, generate sustainable rewards for real long-term use. It will create a initial, what was that? Initial base level of rewards for stickers. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, everything pretty much means it is good. You can read up on this tweet from chainlinkgod.eth. Right. So the Chainlink ecosystem, this is huge. 1,213 projects currently, and probably even more by now. There's so many projects that is linked to Chainlink. So pretty much if you are in the blockchain space, you will need Chainlink. If you want to write smart contracts, you need Chainlink. So it makes no sense to not have Chainlink for the next bull run, right? Let's go back to the price then. The problem currently is we are in a bear market, which we have not found a bottom yet for now. My thesis remains the same. The total market cap has to crash with under 1 trillion to find a bottom. We may drop until 800 or we may drop all the way to 500. Nobody knows. But we need a crash. This thing, a crash and a consolidation, this is not the bottom. But price may be here for quite some time. It may go up and down, up and down and down until it crashes down. Like let's look back at 2018. Right. When the bottom came in, it crashes and there was a bounce and it was consolidating way above the lows. Right. So now what we're seeing is more like this area where there was a crash and we are consolidating but we are still near the lows. There was no real big bounce here. Right. So I think we are in this area currently. So we still need to be patient and wait. Chainlink is a very good project, something that you need to remember when the low comes in. When the low comes in, you buy Chainlink. That is the best method. So where would Chainlink crash to? Right. The problem with Chainlink is it is a new project because it came out in the bear market, the previous bear market. So it has only seen the bull run. We are now seeing the bear market like now. So it can go really, really low if anything bad happens to crypto. But where are the real supports? So the previous area of consolidation is this area. So I assume this is where a bottom will form, somewhere between $1 to $5, I guess. The lower it goes, the better for everybody, because you'll just keep buying a lot of it and you will earn a lot. So, what about price prediction? If we go down to like, let's just assume $3 is the bottom, where will Chainlink go from there? The previous all-time high was at, what was this? High is $53. Now, if we are just going to go all the way back to the all-time high, that would be a huge gain, even from, what was $3 up here? That is a 15x gain. That's crazy. Oh, 16x. So I think I think with such a huge ecosystem that Chainlink has, Chainlink will actually pump to a very, very high valuation. The next run, let's try this one. Let's go to CoinMarketCap and look at Chainlink. We look at the market cap. Right, the market cap went as high as 20 billion in this bull run. So an oracle that has such a huge ecosystem and such a huge use case, and there's so many people that likes it, it wouldn't be too far to say that Chainlink cannot reach 100 billion market cap. 100 billion would be, that is 30, 20, 25x from here. 100 billion market cap from, if we look at the fully diluted market cap, which is 8 billion, 100 billion would be like, that's more than 10x, definitely. So, yeah, I would say $120 Chainlink is possible. Yep, 120. That is my target for the next bull run. $120 Chainlink. But we have to wait for a bottom to form first in this bear market before we buy. We buy and hodl until Chainlink reaches $120 for the next bull run. Alright, thank you. Welcome everyone. Today is June the 8th.